Goko nigwa iko podcast na ni wanyu Kimzi. Kwena story ira trend goko nenda-ini na ni story ya mutumia wa miaka 82 wa Korea Thika. Oyo ni mutumia uria arakwiriire gwake mieri 9 na gutiri mwana wake ona umwe urarealizate ati mamuo ni ahurukire. To uguo tu, hena mwana wake umwe na kwa twekaga kwagwe pilot ni amutumagira ngiri 20 o mweri no ndamenyete mamu wao ni ahurukite. Na ndu makoria atiriri, ikai uyu kai amutumagira besha na ndamuhurire thimu kuria mami ino anyita besha kai gwathiaga atia, ikai guthiaga atia andu a Ngai. Na kwa twika atiriri, o hau aikaraga mita ta 300 ni hari mwanake wake ungi aikaraga ho, no mieri 9 ndoi mamu wao ni ahurukite. Na to uguo tu, ati athuri a nyumba 10 nyuma ikaririo uguo makiuria atiriri, mutumia ng'aniai aretwa Jerry, mutumia ng'aniai wa mucii fulani tutiga kumuona ihinda inene, na warora compound yake warora compound yake ni merereirwo, na mostly mucii utari na mundu ni ukoraga ungimenya kundu gutari na andu uthia wako compound ni kumerereirwo, na gate-ini hau andu makinyangaga ni habitie kumera manyeki, ukamenya guku gutierega mundu. Riu uhoro ucio andu a nyumba 10 makiwoya na makiuga atiriri, twite borithi mathie mucii fulani muone ni ki kirathie na mbere. Hingo borithi mathire kuo manyitirwo ni kimako tondu he muti wa muembe wari hau makorire skeleton ya mutumia ucio i hau thi. To uguo tu, makorire skeleton ya mutumia ucio na skeleton ya ngui. Mutumia skeleton ya mutumia haha na ngui i haha, mabuthite nyama igathira tondu mieri 9 ti minini. Na ukoria atiriri, ikai andu aya maikaraga area iyo definitely kindu giothe gigibutha no njina kinunge. Kebata igwa kwena muruke urauma muci ucio, muruke muru ta wa kindu kirabutha na matiathia korora. Mundu angikahuruka mieri 9, imagine ukwe mieri 9 na gutire mundu uraria, kai gutire mundu athia gucera muci uyu. Kai mutumia uyu atari na arata, ikai guthiaga atia andu a Ngai. Ino ni story imakitie andu muno guku nenda-ini na andu makarigwo muno. No hena andu marauga atiriri, experience ya toxic parents. Kwina ciana ate makome very toxic we ciana ciao, na ciana ciao cike distance na aciari yao. That is no communication, utige kwaria, wamutumira besha mwakiranira, mami niona ni to ndamutumira na yahetwa yake nyona ona yakura thimu ni ndakata ni ndamutumira. Andu guku nenda-ini especially TikTok marite muno uhoro wa toxic parents. Na leo kurai na gicanja muthenya wa ira, hingo borithi marathire maratua nyumba ya mutumia ucio na kuingira ku niko marakorire gicanja makenene muno. Ni hingo iria marakorire nyumba-ini iyo indo ciharaganitio kila handu. To uguo tu, marakora socket ciothe cirutanitio, marakora ceiling kamara gukaga kuingira ceiling ni kahinguritwo, na hena gitina gikaigirwo stool, koguo andu acio ni maingira ku ceiling-ini, ringi hena indo maroraga. Na ukone ni atiriri kuigana icanja mairia cia ku na njina fridge igabunjanio, TV ikagwithanio, indo wani ciothe cikaharaganio ku cigathukangio. Ukone ni atiriri ni ta wici fulani wathire na mbere na ni kuhuthiire mutumia ucio ni kuragwo oragirwo, ni kuhuthiire ni kuragwo oragirwo kuringana uria situation ya nyumba irari. Tondu hingo borithi mathi gutuirio ndu na mwana uria kurari ni kuonania ringi hena aici mokite thini wa nyumba iyo, hena indo fulani maroraga na ringi makimuraga. Ucio no borithi ni megwika tuiria wao meka DNA niguo meguka na marehe real story to kuringana na nyumba iraharaganitio ni kuonania kwina uhotekeku munene, kwina uhotekeku mutumia uyu aya mokite kuiya guku na maharaganiri indo rigi nio mamoragire. Ino ni video ya nyumba yao uria marakorire ihuana kila kindu ki haraganitio ku guothe. We na maoni maku urona atia? Story ino uramioera atia? Kai guthiega atia? Thank you. Mwirora hii video ino na ndukariganirwo ni subscribe guku kwa Kikuyu Podcast. Thank you. God bless you.
Uncle, this is Shosho's bedroom. I think you can see how messy. How messy it is. And all the sockets have been plucked out. Yeah, my certificates are all over. The sockets have been plucked out, so I don't know if there were thieves in the house who have done all this. There are jembes all over the floor. Knives, more sockets. This is a kitchen. There's no cooker. All the sockets have been plucked out. There's no cooker, the gas cooker. Let's see. The sitting room. The TV has been broken. Oh my God. Hii TV imevunjwa. Hii ndio TV alikuwa anatumia. Her TV is broken into pieces. I think this is foreplay, Uncle, because I don't think Shosho can do something like this. All the family photos are scattered on the floor. Just look at the lights. All the lighting. All the lights. Broken bulbs. There's a stool looking up to the ceiling. The ceiling is open. This looks like foreplay. I don't think Shosho will ever destroy her telly like this. Electronics are gone. The microwave is missing. This is a sideboard. The fridge is here, but it has been totally destroyed. Could you name fridge? See, the fridge has been destroyed and the socket disconnected. Yeah, I thought that was blood, but no. Yeah, so the fridge has been spoiled. Uncle, please notice all the ceiling roof. The ceiling roofs are open. This really looks like foreplay.